Hello, good day. In this tutorial, I briefly want to show us how we can use the five methods in Python. Now, we've been doing other things, but we've not been able to access a file or to, you know, do some file operations. Now, in my system, I created a file, and that file I want to access it from Python. This file is stored in the Python repository. So I'll show you two methods. First, basically on how to open the file. Just open the file. So I can say equals to, which is the file. I can put file equals to open. Then I'll put the file name in my quotes, and the file name is file. The extension must be follow txt. Then I have this. Good. So I can do this file dot read. Now, if I say file dot read, I have this. It read everything at once, at a go. It read the full contents. But if I want to read the lines, I can say file dot read lines. It has it as an empty list. So to get this better, I'll say for line in file, in file dot read line print line. So I still have it as none. So what should be, I'm saying read line, or to be read lines. Here there are two different functions. Read line is different from read lines. Read line is different from read lines. Now in this file, you can see it has new line character at the end, new line character at the end. So let me do something. I can say file dot close. And just have closed the file. I want to read the file again. Just a file dot read lines. Let me see. Okay, the file is closed. So I've not opened it. So let me use the other method with open files dot txt as f. Then what will you have f dot read lines and to print f. So you see this, it takes it in what? In a list. Takes it in a list. So that's what read lines does. In this first location, it's not reading the lines because it has been read first as read. So once it reads, it takes it once. Or if you do read lines, it breaks it down to line by line. It picks the line by line. So then do this again. Let's see the difference between these read lines and read line. So there's no need actually for this print. It gives me just the first line. Read line gives me the first line, but read lines gives me all the lines in the file in a list. All the lines in a file in a list. So I can do something as this. Read lines. Sorry. I'll make this for line in this. Have my print words, print line. So you see the lines broken down that are printed as a line. Each and every one of them is printed as a line. So this just explains how we can open a file and read from the file. Now, if you're opening a file, there are some things that can be specified. Now, if I open this file, I say this open, and I have a comma. I have a comma here, sorry. I have a comma here, and I have it as R. It means read or read only. If I have it as write, it means to write. And if I'm writing to the file, it takes away everything that is inside the file. Let's have this. As a write, which is what? F dot read. Okay, I'm having an error. So it has written hello Hamplus into that file. Now it gives me the total character that was written into the file. Okay, if you should look at it, you see that the hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total of 13 characters have been written into the file. Now, when I open this file again, now I'm just opening it, and I have here at the end f dot read line or dot read about hello Hamplus. No more what I had before. No more what I had before. But in this situation, if I so wish that I want to have this back, I can have this, which is this. I copy it, then I go back to this place, I bring it down. Then in this place, instead of hello Hamplus, I can open it as A, which is append. I can open it as A, which is append. Then if I have it as append, it writes to in addition to what is already existing in the file. So I have this. Good, it has written it. When I open it, I say just read it for me or read lines Okay, let me do it this way so we can see the lines for line in F, read lines, F dot read lines, print line. Sorry, let me see. Oh, sorry. I made an error here, not append. Just read. Good. So you see it. Hello applause and the addition is you see the addition there. So in this video, I've just shown you few things about file operation in Python. Briefly, in the next video, we'll be talking about how we can do more without open. There are other things. R is for read only. W is to write. Remember, when you're writing to a file, what is already existing in the file is taken away. A is to append to what is written in the file. Then we have the binary, which is RB, read binary, WB, write binary to the file. Thank you very much for this tutorial, for watching this tutorial. Do have a lovely day. Bye-bye.